Today, we want to talk about your budget for your suspension lift kit versus the quality of what you're buying and the long-term impact that has on your pocketbook. There are pretty inexpensive lift kits out there. They come with the minimal components required to make your Jeep, your truck taller, but they don't always have the complete package. A lot of times you can buy the entry-level kit because it fits your budget right now and it gets you what you want visually, but it has a detrimental effect on the mechanical function of the vehicle over a short or longer term period. A lower end lift kit, we see a lot, the shocks fail in pretty short order. You can have 20,000 miles on the vehicle and the shocks have failed, you're gonna have to buy shocks again. Most people don't budget that out because they think I've put a lift kit on, I should be good for 30, 40,000 miles. Short-term savings almost always end up in long-term costs. If you have a small budget, maybe save a little bit longer to get the next level that has everything that you do need so that long-term you're in a better financial situation and you're a lot happier with your vehicle.